I will be presenting on CRFM training and capacity building activities during 2003 to 2023. Just to give a little background, a core objective of CRFM since its inauguration has been capacity building and institutional strengthening. And to achieve this strategic objective, the CRFM has been providing training in several fishery-related disciplines through cooperative arrangements with various academic institutions. Training and capacity building has also been conducted as part of projects implemented by CRFM over the period. Over the 20-year period, upwards of 1,500 training and capacity building opportunities have been provided to the CRFM member states, CRFM Secretariat staff, and other countries and organizations. And 260 of these opportunities were offered through the formal cooperative arrangements with academic institutions and the regional security system. Ocean governance, fisheries policy and planning, fisheries stock assessment, leadership, data collection and data improvement, fisheries law and management, fisheries prosecution and interdiction, value chain management, and gender are just some of the areas of training provided. All 17 CRFM member states have benefited from the training provided. And some of them more than others. The top 5 beneficiaries, as you can see from the graphic, are St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Suriname, Grenada, and Trinidad and Tobago. And while the UK overseas territories of Anguilla, Montserrat, and Turks and Caicos have benefited from the fewest. So a little about the cooperative arrangements. An MOU between CRFM and the UNUFTP, now GROW FTP, has been in place since 2008. And as part of this agreement, there's an annual 6-month fellowship program which runs from September to March and is comprised of an introductory course, a specialization course, and a final project. So far, 35 fisheries officers from CRFM member states have participated in the program. And the areas of specialization have been stock assessment, fisheries policy and planning, sustainable aquaculture, quality management of fish, and management of fishing companies. Just to say that the numbers in brackets are indicative of the number of persons who have taken up those specialized areas. And then there's a CRFM IOI, that is the International Ocean Institute. There's an MOU for joint provision of training in ocean governance, and that has been in place since 2005. The annual Ocean Governance Policy Law and Management course is offered for 8 weeks between May and July at Dalhousie University and accommodates 2 to 5 participants each year. From 2005 to 2022, 71 individuals have participated. And of note, all 17 CRFM member states have had at least one officer participate in this course. A cooperative agreement between CRFM and the University of Florida has been in place since 30 August 2011, and the agreement was extended for a further 5 years in 2021. As part of this arrangement, there's the Fisheries Professional Development Program, which is a 4-month training program aimed at promoting greater collaboration, synergy, and sharing of knowledge among organizations that have a stake in managing the shared fisheries resources. And so far, 13 persons from 10 CRFM member states have participated in this program. And then we have the Australian Centre for Ocean Resources and Security Anchors, and offer the Fisheries Law and Management Training course, which is offered biannually for 4 to 5 weeks at Anchors in Australia. And the objective of the program is to strengthen capacity of senior fisheries personnel from CARICOM member states in international fisheries law and fisheries management, including monitoring, control, and surveillance systems. And the course was offered in 2012, 2014, and 2016, and a total of 49 individuals participated. And then more recently, CRFM has been collaborating with the regional security system to deliver the Fisheries Prosecution and Interdiction course, which aims to heighten the awareness, enhance the skills and competencies of authorized officers who have responsibilities for enforcing the laws under the Fisheries Act, fisheries regulations, and other supporting administrative policies. And so far, 92 officers, 83 males and 9 females, so definitely a male-dominated area, have participated in the FPIC between 2017 and 2022. We look a little at the project-specific training. So over the 20-year period, CRFM would have implemented with various regional and international partners, a number of projects, and many of these would have included training and capacity building components. And some of these projects include ACP Fish 2, CLME Plus, the pilot program for climate resilience, the 10th EDF and 11th EDF SPS projects, and the JICA CRFM master plan study, just to name a few. And every CRFM member state has benefited from the more than 1,250 training opportunities provided through projects. And 6 member states, Dominica, Grenada, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Suriname, and Trinidad and Tobago, have been beneficiaries of more than 100 project-sponsored training opportunities each. So just to conclude, these training and capacity building activities are contributing to the stated objectives of the Caribbean Community Common Fisheries Policy, among others, promoting the sustainable development of fishing and aquaculture industries in the Caribbean region, building institutional capabilities to conduct research, collect and analyze data, improve networking and collaboration among participating parties, formulate and implement policies and make decisions, thus transforming the fisheries sector towards being market-oriented, internationally competitive, and environmentally sustainable, based on the highest international standards of quality assurance and sanitary and phytosanitary systems. Thank you kindly for your attention.
The CRFM and the countries that took advantage of these trainings did an excellent job. It's impressive to see this record after 20 years. The evidence of greater capacity is very evident through this conference and the work being done in the Caribbean, but certainly we recognize that there is still a further need for capacity building.